So do we have any volunteers? The first question is, what would you do to get 1 billion rupees?
You want a beauty pageant type of answer?
What is your
Go to Africa and feed all the hungry bodies and souls that you can find, and there's so much of need for humanity. Obviously, that's the first thing that comes to my mind.
What will you take away from this platform tonight? So the platform means the pageant platform on that day. Normally, in pageants, it should be either a very serious answer which moves the which moves the panelists, which moves the judges, or it should be something which makes people laugh a lot and they never forget the answer. So this was again the answer given by one of the participants. So she mentioned, I don't know about other things, but from this platform, definitely I'm taking the crown and the cash prize tonight.